and welcome to Me Maharashtra News Channel. Today we have Mr. Deepak More with us, who is the MD of SD Cargo Private Limited, which is an ISO certified and an ITA approved company. Let us have a chat with Mr. Deepak as in his journey for SD Cargo. Hello sir.
Hello.
Okay. So please tell us something about the journey. When and how did you start with SD Cargo?
Basically, I started my career with the airlines called Korean Air,
Alright.
El Al Israel. I worked with Air Sara also.
Okay.
After that, I took up this business. See, the journey, it was a long journey basically. It's not only hard work was there, dedication was there.
Correct.
And the major role in the entire journey, it was supported by my family.
Okay.
Now family, my dad, who played an entire major role in this business,
Okay.
his guidance made me to do something different from others.
That sounds good.
This is where how I entered the business.
This is how you have entered into SD Cargo. So the credit of you being today whatever you are goes to your dad, is it? And your family.
The credit, I cannot take away the credit from the full entire team of SD Cargo. See, they are the people who work hard basically, right? The hard work, the sincerity which they have given showed to me and accepted my leadership. So I cannot take the credit away from them also. Secondly and lastly, I cannot forget the Almighty who has given the guidance, showered his blessings on us.
Mr. Deepak, please tell us about the various services that are provided by SD Cargo Private Limited.
As the name shows, we are into international and domestic freight forwarding.
Alright.
Now we do services what we cater is by air, by rail, by road. Now we also cater to larger commodities like pharma. If you see the film distribution, the films which you see in India, which is the Hollywood and the Bollywood, 98% of the films are been distributed by SD Cargo.
Wow, that's great.
In pharma industry, we do the door-to-door deliveries of vaccines, insulins, injectables,
Okay.
which is again into 24 to 48 hours in the short span.
Okay.
We've got clientele's products such as newspapers, we've got auto parts, perishables, fruits and vegetables, ready-made garments. So we have got a variety of products and services with us.
Okay, so it would not be bad if I say from pin to piano, SD Cargo is doing here all the services.
You can seriously say that.
Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, so please tell us that since it is a competition world today, and we see a lot of competition into your kind of a business, that is cargoes. So how do you withstand this competition into your business?
See, the term competition, and a layman, it's a fear is there.
Certainly.
But I feel competition, there should be a competition in the business.
Correct.
The healthy competition makes you think in the right direction. So if there is no competition,
You can't go ahead.
you cannot go ahead. Say now, with SD Cargo, what we do is, we have got innovative ideas, keep our service levels at such a high state that competition is not affected as on date at least.
Wow. So you are there where you are and
Yes.
it doesn't affect you.
It's not say we have already grown. We have a plan ourselves. So we grow every month, every year by year.
That's wonderful. Okay. So tell us something about your clienteles. What are the various clienteles at SD Cargos?
As I said before also, we do a lot of pharma, films. I have got all the multinationals and corporate clients. Like say Johnson, we have been serving Johnson for the last 10 years.
Wonderful. Excellent.
Now clients like Aventus, Sanofi, which is Aventus been turned into Sanofi now. Sanofi India Pasture India Limited or Sanofi India Limited. We've got clientele like Bharat Serums,
Okay.
Lupin Limited, Vocard,
Okay.
Bollinger Ingram. If you come to film industry, we almost serve all, like say Eros is there,
Okay.
UTV is there, Vicom 18,
Wow. Okay.
and newspapers we have got Dainik Samna,
Oh, right. Okay.
then we have got Vacancy Abroad and few more.
Okay. That's wonderful. So you're doing pretty well with the clienteles of y'all today. You have all major good brands into your kitty today.
Yes, you can say that.
That's wonderful. Okay, so please tell us that the services that SD Cargos provide are only limited to Maharashtra or all over. What is it?
You cannot say we are limited to Maharashtra. Probably we are limited. We have gone across the globe. We serve the whole globe.
Okay. So you're going global.
We are going global.
That's wonderful. Okay. So what is the impact of internet? Today is an internet world. We say everything is online. So what is the kind of impact that internet is playing?
Basically, without internet, even the children or the child could not do anything.
Certainly.
So internet has played a very vital role in our industry. With SD Cargo, what internet has done to us is, basically we have given a facility like online tracking to our clients.
Acha.
We can provide the daily MIS reporting to clients and many more advantages. So with internet,
Yes.
it's an important role.
It's a very vital.
Very important
role.
role.
A need of an hour, you can say.
That's a need of an hour.
Yes.
Yes.
And everything is so easy and quick with
That's
the
right.
internet.
That's right.
That's right. Okay. So one question that comes into my mind is, if you have to describe SD Cargo, okay, into 2 words, what would it be?
If you go to describe SD Cargo in 2 words,
Yeah.
it's hard work and sincerity.
Wow. That is brought SD Cargos to this level today. Okay. Mr. Deepak, please tell us what is the key to success, or what has been the success mantra for SD Cargos Private Limited?
See, the punchline of a business is service matters and results counts.
Wow, excellent.
So basically the mantra is service. It is all service, service, service and only service.
Okay.
So the mantra to the success of SD Cargo is service.
The best of service which you can
Best
do.
of the service.
That's wonderful. And you have made it as a punchline and a tagline to your company also, because it means that and you've been doing
Yes,
that.
yes, yes.
That's exactly what has made you successful today, I would say. So tell us about something which is going to be the future plans of SD Cargo Private Limited.
The future plans. See, the sky is the limit for us.
Okay.
Basically, the future plans, we have already covered the whole India. Now we'll be entering the European market
Okay.
in a phased manner. Probably I will like as SD Cargo to be all over the globe. And lastly, it's too early to say that,
Yeah.
but it can go into a public limited company also.
Okay, that's great.
That's great. That's a plan. We'll play.
That's your plan, and definitely a plan comes to a reality only when you actually
As I said
look at
before, also, we work in a phased manner. We plan ourselves. It's not only just hasty decision. We plan ourselves and we see to it we achieve it.
Yes, definitely. We wish you all the luck. You soon achieve it. Okay. दीपक सर, आपल्या मराठी बांधवांना एक मेसेज द्या.
सगळ्यात पहिले मी इकडे नमूद करू इच्छितो की मला गर्व वाटतो मी महाराष्ट्रीयन असण्याचा. मी माझ्या सगळ्या मराठी बांधवांना असं सांगू इच्छितो की जे तुम्ही करतील आपल्या आयुष्यात ते 100% करा. एक बिलीफ ठेवा आपल्यावर की यू कॅन डू इट. येस, वी कॅन डू इट. येस, डेफिनेटली बरेचसे त्यांना प्रश्न होतो की भांडवल. आज भांडवल मराठी माणसांना तयार करणं ही खूप कठीण गोष्ट आहे. येस, बट नाही. सो मराठी माणसांना पुढे या, पुढे या, पुढे या. मराठी माणसं पुढे या.
खूप छान सर, आणि थँक्यू फॉर गिव्हिंग अस युअर व्हॅल्युएबल
Thank you
टाइम.
very much.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद.
And here we have the whole successful team of SD Cargo Private Limited. Let us have a chat with sir and let us know what has been his strength. Is it his team over here?
Definitely, I said before, my team is my strength.
Okay.
That is my wealth. This is all the team members who are working hard day and night.
That's wonderful, sir. So the credit of SD Cargo being successful today is over here with us. Okay, now let us know from one of his staff as what has been sir's role or how good he's been to his staff. Hello.
माय नेम इज रुपाली.
Hi, Rupali.
मी यांच्याबरोबर भरपूर वर्षापासून काम करत आहे. हे भरपूर खूप चांगले व्यक्ती आहेत. ॲज अ ग्रेट ह्युमन बिईंग इज, आणि त्यांचं जे काम करण्याची पद्धत आहे भरपूर खूप चांगली आहे त्यांची. त्यांचे जे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह करण्याची पद्धत आहे त्याच्यापासून आम्ही नवीन नवीन एक्सपिरियन्स घेत जातो. ओके, इज all rounder.
That's wonderful, wonderful. 3 cheers to all you staff. Hip hip hooray!